Wait a minute. Which sentence is correct? I enjoy painting or I enjoy to paint? Do you know the answer? Why is it like this? Hi, my sweet friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Roya and welcome to my channel. This piece of grammar can be challenging, so listen carefully. I was kidding. It's not challenging at all. But anyway, listen carefully. Let's discuss verb patterns. Look at my example. I enjoy this book. It's a simple sentence, right? What if I want to put two verbs together? I want to add read to this sentence. I should add ing to the second verb. I enjoy reading this book. Because after enjoy, we use the verb in ing form. This is part of what we call verb patterns. Let's memorize some verbs that follow this pattern. Use verb plus ing after these verbs. Imagine, stop, avoid, finish, consider, deny, risk, give up, admit, spend, mind, carry on, put off, keep or keep on, postpone. For instance, I fancy going out tonight. She finished doing her exercise. He has given up listening to the news. Can you guess the negative form of this sentence? I enjoy having to get up early. I enjoy not having to get up early. Yes, the negative form in this verb pattern is not ing. With some verbs, you can use this structure. Verb plus somebody plus verb in ing. I didn't keep Clara waiting. Keep is the verb. Clara is somebody and waiting is verb ing. Another example. Can you imagine me exercising? After certain verbs, we can use that. Suggest that, deny that, admit that. For example, they suggested that we go to the art gallery. Some verbs do not take verb plus ing, so after some verbs use infinitive. What is an infinitive? It's to plus the base form or the simple form of a verb. I agreed helping them. I agreed to help them. Which one is correct? Of course, the second sentence is correct. Memorize these verbs with the same pattern. Verb plus infinitive. Hope, offer, learn, decide, forget, fail, refuse, promise, plan, arrange, manage, afford, seem, appear, tend, pretend, claim. Example, I learned to ride a motorcycle. She hopes to find a new job. Can you make this sentence negative? We decided to buy a new house. We decided not to buy a new house. Yes, the negative form of this pattern is not to or not infinitive. Some verbs that are followed by infinitive can also be followed by this structure, verb plus object plus infinitive. For example, we expected to be late, or we expected Harry to be late. Harry is the object or somebody. Another example, I don't want to know, or I don't want him to know. Him is the object. Here are some words have the same structure. Verb, object, infinitive. Tell, order, warn, get, teach, enable, encourage, force, invite, remind. For instance, can you teach me to ride a bike? And he warned Allison not to go there. Some verbs are followed by either infinitive or ing form without changing in meaning, like start, love, prefer, like, continue, begin, intend, and bother. For example, I love to eat in a restaurant. I love eating in a restaurant. They have the same meaning. I prefer to sleep at 10. I prefer sleeping at 10. They have the same meaning. Some verbs are followed by either infinitive or ing form, but their meanings are different. Like remember, try, regret, and go on. Example, I tried swimming. It's like experimenting or experiencing. I tried to swim. It's like making an effort. I didn't remember speaking to Joe. I forgot that I had spoken to Joe. I didn't remember to speak to Joe. I forgot to speak to her. I didn't speak to her. Let's take a look at some points. The verb let and make are followed by infinitive without to. Actually, verb plus object plus infinitive without to. For example, my mom lets me use her stuff. They make her laugh. You see, there is no to in these sentences. After advise and allow, two structures are possible. Verb plus ing, verb plus object plus infinitive. Do you allow parking here? They don't allow people to park here. After some verbs, we can use a question form plus to, like ask, learn, forget, know, decide, wonder, and explain. For example, I don't know where to go for holidays. Did you understand what to do? You can use help to do or help do, and both of them are correct. For example, everybody helped to clean the kitchen. Everybody helped clean the kitchen. She helps her dad to wash the car. She helps her dad wash the car. Also, I can't help doing something. It means I can't stop myself doing it. I'm sorry, I'm so nervous. I can't help it. It means I can't stop myself being nervous. Other structures, verb plus preposition plus verb ing. Insist on, confess to, admit to, apologize for, boast about. For example, she insisted on going to the concert. He apologized for forgetting her birthday. Are you ready? Verb plus object plus preposition plus verb ing. Accuse of, blame for, congratulate on, criticize for. For instance, the teacher accused the student of cheating on the exam, and the manager criticized the team for not meeting their targets. All right, everyone, we can call it a day. By the way, at the end of the video, I'll type some exercises for you. Please write your answers in the comments and I'll check them for you. I want to thank you a million for your attention, and don't forget to, like, share, subscribe if you find this video helpful. Take care and see you next time. This is what red lipstick do.